Ready to become an ASNT NDT Level III? This guide breaks down the complete certification path for 2026. An NDT Level III is the top technical expert responsible for writing procedures, qualifying inspectors, and ensuring safety. In 2026, demand is surging due to a retiring workforce and new infrastructure projects in energy and aerospace. This isn't just a certification, it's a gateway to roles like Corporate NDT Manager or Chief Inspector. For experienced Level 2s, it represents a significant career and salary leap, with typical earnings ranging from $100,000 to $160,000 or more. The ASNT NDT Level 3 credential is built on a two-exam structure. First, every candidate must pass the basic exam. This comprehensive test is taken only once. After passing it, you can pursue individual method exams for each NDT discipline you want to be certified in, like ultrasonic or radiographic testing. This modular approach allows you to build your qualifications over time. Understanding this core structure is the first step to planning your study and navigating the certification process successfully. The basic exam is a 4-hour, 135-question closed-book test. It covers the foundational knowledge every Level 3 needs, regardless of their specialty. The blueprint focuses on 4 key areas: materials and fabrication technology, the types of discontinuities and defects, a broad overview of common NDT methods and their limitations, and finally, the specific responsibilities and codes relevant to a Level 3. Mastering these fundamentals is essential, as this exam is the prerequisite for all subsequent methods certifications. Once you've passed the basic exam, you'll take a separate method exam for each discipline. A key detail many guides miss is that exam lengths vary. Methods like UT, RT, and ET are 135 questions in 4 hours. However, MT, PT, and VT exams are shorter, with 90 questions in 2 hours. These exams test deep technical knowledge and include an open reference section, where you'll use code extracts from standards like ASME Section ME or AWSD 1.1. This tests your practical ability to apply standards. To be eligible for the exams, you need to document your work experience. The requirements vary based on your education. Candidates with a 4-year engineering or science degree need 12 months of experience in the method. Those with 2 years of relevant college study need 24 months. If you have no college background, you'll need 48 months of documented work. This experience must be as a qualified Level 2 in the specific method you are pursuing and must be signed off by your employer. The registration process is straightforward. First, you'll submit an application to ASNT, including documentation of your experience, training hours, and a current vision exam. Once ASNT approves your application, you will receive an authorization to schedule your exams. All ASNT written exams are now delivered by computer at Pearson VUE test centers worldwide. You can schedule your basic and method exams together or separately, and you'll receive the preliminary result immediately after finishing the test at the center. Now that you understand the path to becoming an ASNT NDT Level 3, it's time to take action. The full guide on our website provides even more detail, including per-method blueprints and a 12-week study plan. Start preparing today with our free practice questions that cover both the basic and method exam topics. Visit openexamprep.com to access the full guide and begin your journey.